Curious about how maintenance software can drive efficiency and savings in your team? I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to guide you through the evidence. In this video, we're going to look at real-life examples of how UpKeep has transformed businesses and introduce you to our ROI and Savings tool, so you can see the potential benefits for yourself. Ever wondered how to convince your boss that investing in maintenance software is a smart move? Well, you're not alone. Over 10,000 companies using UpKeep face the same challenge, prompting us to dive deep into our data to find some convincing answers. Let's start with a story from Jonathan Price at Jet.com. He shared that UpKeep allows him to list the cost of parts on work orders, adding transparency to their monthly spending. Plus, with every team member able to create work orders on their iPads, they've slashed administration hours significantly. Jonathan thinks of UpKeep as the assistant they don't have to pay a salary to. Then there's Larry from McLain Forest Products, who credits UpKeep with reducing their downtime to less than 1%. He emphasizes that the fee for UpKeep is minuscule compared to the savings on maintenance costs and the boost in productivity. But how do we measure these benefits to make a solid case? We pinpointed 3 key factors to consider when estimating the return on investment, or ROI, from maintenance software: the industry type, the size of the maintenance team, and the average hourly rate of the team. Using these factors, we crafted an ROI and Savings tool that showcases the value UpKeep delivers. You can check this tool out for yourself at upkeep.com/ROI calculator. A big shout out to our data team for their insights, our design team for creating this fantastic tool, and our customer success team for gathering valuable feedback from hundreds of our users. And of course, a huge thank you to all our customers who recognize the value UpKeep provides. And that wraps up our video for today. Thank you for watching. We've explored how UpKeep can transform businesses, how to estimate the return on investment, and even heard some real-life success stories. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about UpKeep and to explore our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.